Making cold calls can be very difficult and daunting, but there's actually a lot of confidence to be gained through doing so, and I'm going to show you how. Is there really anything worse than making a cold call? Well, yeah, there is. It's making a difficult call you don't want to make. You know it's going to be painful and you've been putting it off for months, but today is the day. Why is this a confidence boost? Doesn't this sound more like torture? When the mind is able to release something that it's been holding on to, a strained relationship, a tedious task that needs to be taken care of, or even a cold call that needs to be made, the release will free up the mind of the what if thinking and ultimately lower stress and anxiety levels. The mindset that will help build confidence in picking up the phone and dialing when you don't feel like it is this: you have nothing to lose. You do in your mind, but you really don't. You might think, well, what if I get rejected? Or what if the person I'm asking for forgiveness shoots me down? Both of those can happen and probably will happen. The confidence boost today comes from the peace of knowing that the burden is off your chest and you can free yourself up of the stress buildup. Who is someone you've been putting off calling? Is there someone you need to ask for forgiveness? Have you not made any sales because you are trying to avoid making that cold call? Trust me, confidence boost will come by picking up the phone and making the tough call. Might not be great in the moment at the start, but you'll be very thankful you did.